Every big cat deserves their very own castle, right? But finding a sturdy, reliable cat tree for a heavy adult cat or a large breed like a Maine Coon can be an absolute nightmare. Most standard trees just aren't built for them. That's exactly why I am super excited to share a massive upgrade for your cat's indoor life, the Globlazer 61-inch heavy-duty cat tower. This gorgeous light gray tower is practically a luxury apartment for your feline friend. It is 61 inches of pure vertical entertainment and relaxation. Let's start at the very top. It features an extra-large top perch, measuring 17.7 by 15.7 inches. It's basically a king-sized bed for your big cat to lounge, sleep, and observe their territory from up high. Even if you have multiple playful kittens, there is plenty of room for everyone. But what if your cat wants some privacy? This tower has them covered with two huge cat condos. Instead of those tiny, cramped boxes, these condos are super spacious. Your large adult cats can actually step inside, turn around, and settle in comfortably for a peaceful, quiet retreat. Now, we all know cats need to scratch, and we all want to protect our sofas. Globlazer absolutely nailed this by including 7 natural sisal scratching posts throughout the tower. It promotes healthy scratching habits and keeps their claws in great shape. Plus, to cure their boredom, it comes with hanging mouse toys and dangling balls built right in to keep their hunting instincts sharp and enrich their daily routine. If you are ready to spoil your cat with the ultimate indoor playground, I've got you covered. The direct link to purchase this exact Globlazer cat tower is right down in the description box, and I've also left it in the pinned comment below for easy access. Go click that link right now to check out the price and details. If this review helped you out, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big like. Let me know in the comments if your cat prefers sleeping up high or hiding away in condos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.